Hello, this is I.C.T PCB X-ray inspection machine 7100. It is widely used in SMT PCBA, providing non-destructive inspection of BGA, CSP, and solder joints. I.C.T PCB X-ray inspection machine 7100 consists of a detector, an inspection stage, and an X-ray tube. The detector supports Z-axis positioning and 060 tilt inspection. The inspection stage supports various PCB sizes, and the X-ray tube supports Z-axis positioning. For safety, the machine adopts a 5 mm thick lead shielding structure, reducing radiation leakage. In addition, the machine adopts a safety door and warning lights. Different light colors indicate different machine statuses. Machine running, red light on, door lock, standby, green light on, door openable, switches from green to yellow when open. I.C.T PCB X-ray inspection machine 7100 features a 360 joystick control system. Operators can quickly locate inspection areas. Inspection angles can be adjusted in real time for comprehensive inspection. Meanwhile, the machine supports program editing and CNC automatic inspection. It automatically identifies NG products, improving inspection efficiency.